To achieve a strong food safety culture and drive and sustain positive food safety behaviors, you need to consider a number of key success factors. These key success factors include, in no particular order, robust training needs analysis and cycle, clear competency and capability framework, effective root cause analysis when an employee has not behaved in the right way. It involves strong leadership. Senior leaders and managers need to show their clear and consistent commitment to making safe food, which includes not only dedicating and investing resources, time and effort to train and educate staff, and also establishing an effective systems of rewards and key performance indicators. You need to ensure that all people involved in food production, the staff, the agency staff, contractors, realize that they play a part in food safety and that they are accountable and that they are empowered to take action to prevent a food safety failure. Employees need to have fit-for-purpose, fit-for-use clothing and equipment and work in fit-for-purpose, hygienically designed premises and buildings. They need to be aware of all relevant hazards and risks that might have a food safety impact on their business and communicate this to their staff in an effective manner with regular updates. To keep food safety top of mind and engage employees fully, senior leaders, as well as food safety and technical people, need to leverage the functional expertise of peers in other functions, including health and safety, don't remember them, to pick up on tips and techniques, as they have a lot of experience in behavior-based approaches to drive compliance, and they were working with you. Marketing and comms, to help to segment the workforce and develop targeted food safety messaging, taking into account deep culture, different generation, job types, so you can tailor the message. HR, human resources, to help with developing and managing the continuing professional development of each employee, the competency framework, and the various training and learning activities required that you need to organize. HR usually has access to dedicated software packages and tools, as opposed to you battling your way through an Excel spreadsheet, as in when you can squeeze it into your busy schedule. Also remember that HR support is valuable when designing effective reward systems to reinforce desired food safety behaviors. Remember, food safety and quality is a shared responsibility. You cannot do it on your own. You will need to involve your whole organization and work closely with your colleagues in different parts of the organization. And this is not a one-off exercise. This is a continuous improvement journey. It's a very exciting journey that pays great dividend if you do it right.